Hi traders and welcome. Lockie here, CTO at Samurai Day Trading. Thank you so much for watching the video series. We're up to number 5 guys in our starter pack video series. Guys, the intent behind starter pack video 5 is to basically just run through how do we get you started. Guys, how do we get you a heap of free information so you can find out more about what we do, and ultimately also, ladies and gents, what we are looking for. Now, the reason I say what we're looking for is we are a very new educator in the game. Now, even though we've been around staff-wise for around about 17 years, we are a brand new company. We are looking to spread globally. Guys, we're already gathering momentum very quickly, but it would be incredible, guys, to have some affiliates and some marketers on board. So a little bit more on that in a second. So ultimately, what are we doing? We're building a team of brilliant LTR traders from all over the world. Now, at the moment, it looks like we've got traders in 12 countries. So we've got staff in 5 countries, traders in 12. It would be lovely to get those traders up to around about 20 countries. So step number 1, all you need to do, step 1, is subscribe to YouTube. Now, that's clearly not going to cost you a cent, and we can update you on what we're doing video-wise and masterclass-wise. Guys, if you want to have a read, guys, you can download the Brokers Exposed ebook. That's free on the website as well, ready to rock and roll. Just go to the front of the website and download that. Guys, now we do run a free monthly masterclass, guys, every month. Guys, you can register via the front of the website. They are also completely free. Guys, make sure you reach out to us for the recording if you do miss a masterclass. I was more than happy to get you started in the game of professional trading. Now, step number 4, ladies and gents, if you do need a hand, please jump on the FAQs, start to learn our lingo and our language. The FAQs can be accessed from the front, center of the website, and also from the bottom of the website in the footer. Guys, step number 5, if you would like to watch us trade live, copy our trades, and do similar things, literally just go straight to the website and sign up for the live trading room. Guys, it's $97 per month. What does that mean? That one 20-tick trade on the NASDAQ is worth $100. So our goal is your entire month in the LTR is paid for with one winning trade on the NASDAQ. Suffice to say, today in the live trading room, as if you run through video number 4, we picked up at least 200 or 300 tick trades. So they're worth at least $500. Ultimately, if you traded well on the LTR today, as you would have paid for an entire year of live trading room in one trading room session today with a little bit of experience and some long range targets. So fancy as how that Fibonacci works very much in our favor. Now, key with the live trading room, ladies and gents, you do not need to be formally trained to log in and get familiar with the LTR. Guys, you also don't need a trading platform to start logging in, watching what we're doing, starting to log the trades that we're taking, and literally gather experience as a professional trader almost instantly. Now, what I'd love to draw your attention to, ladies and gents, as well, top right-hand corner, if you would like to start going through the funding process, you don't have to be a member of Samurai in order to actually get funded and start trading professionally. So once again, jump on the front of the website. Guys, go to the funding option on the front of the website and you'll see our preferred funding partners. Take advantage of those preferred partners with the intent of getting yourselves funded. You can be funded up to $250,000 relatively simply. Guys, you've just got to make sure you know what you're doing, you control your risk, you let your profits run, and naturally we do that in the live trading room every day. So that could be a really good little resource for you. So once again, you don't need to be a member of Samurai in order to get funded through our funding partners, which I do think is a really important point to mention. Now, further on that point, ladies and gents, we are looking to build a global trading academy that is not only the best in the world, but also changes the lives of people all over the world. And this is where, guys, we are looking for a little bit of assistance. Now, what does it mean? If you're an affiliate marketer or you're a promoter or you know someone who's really good at spreading the word, as we would love to have a chat with you and ultimately have a chat with them. Now, we know, as by what we're seeing over the last sort of 20 or so years, the global financial markets are shifting towards honesty and transparency. What does it ultimately mean? That futures trading is going to dominate the trading education space and also the prop trading arenas as over the next 10 to 15 years, particularly as the brand of Forex dies globally when people read books like Brokers Exposed, for example, and they realize that the Forex game is not a game to be won by the traders. So there is a massive opportunity, ladies and gents, to not only become an affiliate of the company, but also the leading global promoter of Samurai. And naturally, as we can all get on this journey together about empowering people to make a lot of money out of trading, but ultimately empowering them to change their lives, which I do think is an incredibly exciting journey. So the step one, ladies and gents, for that one, simply email your interest to info@samurai.daytrading.com. Guys, that's all you've got to do. And what will happen is the marketing team will reach out to you. We'll put a plan in place. We'll find out what we can do. As the whole intent is to empower people globally to not only understand the design of the financial markets, but also ultimately get those people either funded as professional traders for Samurai, get you funded as a professional trader for Samurai, or teach you how to be a professional trader in your own right. Either way, guys, the professional trading career globally over the next 4 to 5 years is going to explode in popularity because you only need a laptop, guys. You can travel anywhere in the world you want. You can plug into the live trading room from wherever in the world you want. As the whole intent is that we change your life and we change everybody else's lives around you by showing them how to professionally trade in a futures market that can't be manipulated by brokers while you're trading. So suffice to say, as we are in a very, very exciting place right now. So I will say, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening to the video series. I hope you've learned stuff. I hope I've prompted you to go and download some free information. Guys, at the end of the day, we are here to educate. We are here to learn. We are here to grow one of the biggest professional prop trading teams in the world. Guys, we're here to run a private hedge fund. If you want to be part of any and all of that, guys, please reach out. Watch what we're doing, jump in the live trading room, and we'll start your training from there. Guys, have a great day wherever you are in the world. And from me, guys, and the Samurai team, I will literally see you in the live trading room or somewhere on the website. Thank you, and bye for now.